Welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me, Oppo A18, and I'm gonna show you top 3 best themes for this device. On the third place in my top is Nagar Launcher. Nagar Launcher is a very great launcher because it's minimalistic, it's completely free, and it have one killer feature is really not annoying. So you have not any feature that can annoy you. Here you have only favorite apps. Here you have alphabetical line to fastly and rapidly search any applications. For example, you want to find the Chrome, just tap your finger on C. You want to find the Play Store, just tap on P. Find the files, just tap on F. And in this way you will be able to find any applications very fast. Of course, if you want to use normal search, just swipe from down to up, and here you have normal app search. Cool. On the second place in my top is Original Launcher. Original Launcher is minimalistic too, it's beautiful, and only one disadvantage of this launcher is there is no any killer feature of this launcher. It's just normal launcher. It's beautiful, but sometimes we want something new, and when we want something new, we need to try another new launchers. And one of the best launchers for you is Microsoft Launcher. Microsoft Launcher is really great, it's fast, it's rapid, and it's the most customizable launcher you can find. On the left side panel you have glance. In glance you can tap all your widgets that you want, and in this way you will be able to easily search any information from widgets you need just by swiping left, and you will not need to swipe between thousands of home screens to find desired widget. In the main menu, in the main menu we have alphabetical line, normal search, voice search, ping search, hidden apps feature. We have the gestures in the settings, so we can set up, for example, opening the calculator by swiping up with 2 fingers. As you can see, it's very great. And we can set up different gestures to boost our productivity with this launcher. And it's beautiful, as you can see, it's beautiful, it looks cool. So that's it, thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you!